Welcome to Freebird's Countdown to Christmas. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to see more great content like this. Today is day 12 of the Countdown to Christmas. And as for recap, yesterday's video we built this. If you haven't seen this review or any of these other reviews, in the description box down below there will be a link to the playlist so you can get caught up on it. That being said, let's get on to day 12. And it looks like we're building, oh, of course, a Porg. Because they're the sequel trilogy's version of Ewoks. Or Gungans, depending on when you got into Star Wars. So I'm going to build this creature right here, and then I will be back to give my final thoughts on it. So here is my build of it. It was a semi-easy build, but the wings were difficult. Well, thank you for watching the video. Please like the video. Subscribe to my channel to see more great content like this. Excuse me. And comment and share any of my videos. Thank you for watching again. And see you guys on the side. Freebird over and out.